guys, it's Yani here.
I'm Fabio.
And we're back with another video. Today's video, we are gonna be reacting to Maymay Entrata's new song, Kakayanin.
People voted that they want the hook to stay with the sound.
Really? Do you guys want it back?
No, it never left the channel.
It never left.
Always.
What do we have to do again? Maymay Entrata's new song, Kakayanin Kaya. That means, am I gonna get through this? Can I do this?
Well, the answer is no.
Why is the answer no?
Because if you don't try, you don't fail.
Whoa, Miss Fabio. So I think there's a music video of this, guys, now.
Okay.
Many requested this, so we're gonna go ahead and check it out.
We haven't checked Maymay Entrata in so long.
I know, and she released a new song.
And we love her.
Oh my god, there's a
Oh,
music
I see
video.
her crying. The guy that is whispering in her ear, he's saying, "You're ugly as fuck.
Oh
You're disgusting."
So we just have to pause and translate for Fabio.
Hashtag translate for Fabio.
I just got back from vacation, so I was in the sun every single day of the week last week. And if you wanna check out that video, I actually vlogged during the vacation, so it's gonna be in our travel channel because it's travel vlog. So go ahead, check it out. I will link it below. If you didn't know yet, we have a travel channel. Go subscribe, and that's all.
And guess where he left me? Here, editing the videos.
Of course.
But did I do it?
No, he didn't.
I
He didn't
edited
edit.
two. Maymay Entrata, Maymay exit.
Entrata in his language is enter. Entrata in
Entrance.
Wow, you're so funny. Haha. I'm the worst Filipino ever because I haven't heard this song. Let's see.
Okay, class, please take note of our lesson today. We will have an exam next week, okay?
Ah, yeah.
And everyone, before we end...
Oh, that's what's his name?
Edward.
Oh, how do you know?
I follow him on Instagram.
Do you actually?
Yeah, I only follow the guys.
So, oh my god, somebody commented in the Nadine Lustre part 2 Instagram raid that you unfollowed Liza Subirano.
That's not true.
You did. You're not following him. It's in the video. I follow Liza and Nadine and Maymay.
That's odd because I don't unfollow people. Once I follow them, that's it.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, so they have an exam. Somebody came in late. Look at that.
I'd like to meet our new exchange student.
Oh,
Maya.
exchange student.
And Jeff, since ikaw yung president natin, I'd like to tour Maya around the school.
But his name is Edward.
And Tina, sorry, pwede bang sa likod ka muna? Maya muna dyan sa tabi.
Oh, he's moving. He's pushing her back to the
To the back of the room.
Back of the room. Back of the room she goes.
Please take note of
Back off, Maymay.
Can we talk about her hair though?
Yeah, very straight.
Oh, look at Maymay's face.
Ouch. She's
Guys.
looking at the hand.
Oh, so that's why the title is Can I Do This? Can I do this if my boyfriend... Why are you laughing?
Because I'm already enjoying this.
She's like, can I do this if my boyfriend is having another girl? Can we say that was a perfect transition though of the song?
Yeah, but
the way it started.
she's in class. She cannot sing.
Huh?
Why is she singing in class?
It's musical. Come on, Fabio.
Okay.
But it's perfect transition when she sat down. Look at that. Hey.
She's like a stalker and just singing, whispering behind him.
Can you imagine? That's so
Yani, you're sexy. Yani, cute.
You know what?
Yeah.
I'll translate for you.
Okay.
Can you behave for once? So she said, I can't translate. Natulala. I am mesmerized. Like, I can't say anything. Oh my god. Edward is so cute!
He's like, by Maymay, I'm gonna show her around.
Maymay's eyes is so... Ah! That switch! The switch though! Can we watch that again? Bitch! She's like, bitch, what?
Do you think she practiced in front of the mirror?
I think so. She's like, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
She's like
That's our
Filipina.
thumbnail. Dalagang Filipina.
She's doing it.
Wow, she mad though.
She wants to punch
Oh,
her.
I love it. I thought the song was gonna be all dramatic, but she added a comedic stuff to it.
Oh,
she's funny. And we can tell that she's funny in person too, right?
Yeah.
So, okay, she's a creep.
Yeah, she's following
She's
them.
following. The girl is pretty though. The hell?
Oh.
She's just singing, "Can I do this? Can I do this?"
And he's saying nothing. He's just standing there.
It's not a duet, Fabio, that's why.
Oh my god, what a creep.
Oh my god. I love that she's doing a lot of comedic stuff to it because the song is so dramatic already. Oh my god, look at the books in the Philippines. They cover it with cellophane. I remember all my
Why?
high school and college years. I didn't go to college. But I don't know, people just cover it. Wrap it in cellophane to last longer.
Oh! Busted!
But are they dating or no?
He's like, she's just the creep in the library.
But that's not how it's supposed to be though. I thought he was just giving a tour. Why are they on a date?
He says Yani.
No.
Yani!
No, that's not what she said. Oh, look at her. She's such an actress. Kakayanin, Korea. Why is she crying? Oh, so they are dating. Oh no, they're not dating yet.
Puncher! Oh! They stopped there.
How could you not see the people running?
Go, Maymay, you got this. Just pull her
We're all
hair.
rooting for you, Maymay.
Grab her from the back. Oh.
Oh,
Oh wow, the drop.
the
Came down
drop,
for
yeah.
real. No jokes here.
So maybe she has a crush on him and then she's in love with him, but I don't think they're dating. She's like, what is she doing?
Yeah, but he doesn't give a shit. He doesn't even go there.
But he's just giving a tour. Maymay, lighten up a little bit. It's okay.
Don't be one of these crazy girlfriends. I mean, chill, girl.
Yeah, so maybe she became one of the crazy girlfriends. It's okay, Maymay. It's okay.
Be careful. She's one of these that checks the boyfriend's phone.
Yeah,
I know she is.
Maymay in the music video seems like that. The one that checks the boyfriend's phone.
She goes through the garbage to see if there's any
Yes.
receipts.
She goes through the last call, the
Yeah.
messages, the text messages. Wow.
She checks the computer
Guys,
history.
yes, don't be like that, guys. If you're dating somebody, trust is needed in the relationship.
He's needed. Trust he's needed.
Trust is. That's what I said.
Trust.
Trust is needed in the relationship.
Oh, trust is needed.
What did you say? What did you hear?
Trust his.
Huh?
I thought you said trust his.
You're so dumb. You're so stupid.
He's like that in the relationship.
Thank you for watching, and that was a good song. But my advice is don't be like Maymay in the music video. Don't be a creep to your boyfriends. Trust your boyfriend.
My advice is just grab the girl and slap her in the face
That too.
until she's done.
Yes. Bye, guys.
Peace.